Morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. And today is what? Today is 11th. Oh, wow. How's everybody doing this morning? I like you. I do. I like you. I do. Get my TikTok going. Had another gold signal last night, another win. $35 and 0. So 35 signals called out so far, 35 wins since January 1st. 100% win rate. Got to thank God for that. It's crazy good. All right, I think we're live on TikTok, and I'm pretty sure we're set up on YouTube. Yep, there we are. I love you. I do. Da-da-do. All right, morning everybody on TikTok, morning everybody on YouTube. Mr. Pull Up. What's up? Turn up. All right. What's up, Martin Griffiths? Good morning, sir. Good morning, Gladix. Good morning, Ruben. Good morning, Mike Snyder. All right. Let's get a roll on and get going. Speaking of that, let's literally get going. I love you. I do. I love you. I do. So we had another gold signal call out here at this gold line right here. Boom. Should have played it off when the pink went to the bottom. You'd enter it over here and it went up. Not only did it once, but it did it twice. Gold 15-minute buy. Let's see how it plays out. It's not too late. You should have been in the trade, but it's not too late. All right. What you're looking at right now is the only trading system in the world that has United States of America, United States Patent and Trademark Office issued registered number 7,291,300. It's called the Safety Trade System. I created it. Of course, me and my wife own the Class 41 coaching in the field of generational wealth. That's incredible to me. But anywho, so that's that. Yeah, pretty cool. Thankful to God for that. Then you come over to here. I am not a financial advisor, nor is anyone associated with this financial advisor. Please pause and you can read this right here at your leisure. I'm a social media influencer. I do have a store on TikTok that has an amazing amount of different clothing. I think it's like 100 different pieces. Anyway, most of it is overpriced, but it's very good quality. Who would say their clothes are overpriced? It's overpriced. Who's going to pay like $26 or $28 for a tank top? But it's extremely good quality. I wear it all the time, actually. That's pretty cool. All right, let's whip through a whole bunch of things. How gorgeous this is. Gorgeous this is. Gorgeous gold is. Look at this. Classic 101. Boom. That's your W if you can't see it. Whatever. First entry, second entry. Money. I think we're up $170 an ounce on our first gold call out on this particular bull run that you're on. Morning, Mike Snyder. Morning, Maxwell. Good morning, Raider Trader. All right. So let's go through them. Let's make a whole bunch of call outs for you. Signal Service already made a gold call out. I'm going to call out oil, US and UK oil, US 30, NAS, SPX, EUR, USD, GBP, JPY, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Amazon thing. Gold, 1 minute. Buy stop. Gold, 5 minute, buy stop. Gold, 15 minute, buy stop. 15 minute, 30 minute. It's a 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. Daily sell stop. US 30 and I'll get in a lot of detail. Oh, it looks like the sell's clicked in. Nice. Let me see over here real quick. Yeah. So towards SPX 15 minute blue line, let's take a look at something really quick. Let me go to SPX. Let me go to this 15 minute. Yeah. So you'd have made money on the call. I made this yesterday for you guys. It was NAS, US 30, SPX to the SPX 15 minute, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the SPX blue line. Yeah, it's going there. Nice. Yeah, absolutely. I just wait. It's going to come down again and go closer to there. Let's come over to here. Let's come over here and see something. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at our 2 out of 3 scanner. This scanner was a free gift from Bree and I to each and every one of our members that were paying for either the scanner room for $50 a month or the sniper for $150 a month. If you want to get this scanner by itself, it's $500 a month. US 30, NAS, SPX, across the top. M1 means 1 minute. So the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour charge. Speaking of which, this is getting upgraded. I wonder if Keith and I have it done soon. I've been saying that for like 3 months. Oh, it's coming. We've been a little busy on the signal service, providing you with 35 wins with 0 losses, what we've been doing. Sorry about that. I got sidetracked. Look, only thing that kind of doesn't belong. Notice anything? So we're red, 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 red. These are green. If you'd have caught this yesterday, you'd have made money on the 1 minute sell stops. You'd have made money and caught the 5 minute sell stops. You're currently waiting for the 15 minute sell stops to go down. Officially 1 minute sell stops towards the SPX 15 minute blue line. I called this out and wrote this out for you yesterday. Still love the 4 hour buys. Let's take a look at those in a little bit. All right. And just in case we're not clear, there is a scanner room. It is scanning all indices, all 8 time frames, including oil and gas in there. Forex and gold. Forex is trading all 8 time frames. There's a new Forex one, Japan. That's a sell stop. Here's another one, sell stop, EUR, AUD. Trading all majors and cryptos based on 2 time frames. The scanner was coded by the great Keith Palmer, XRP, 1 minute buy. Scanning all Forex majors and crosses, all cryptos majors, all the big boys. Stocks that we'll be doing later. How nice. 1 minute, 5 minutes. All right, let's take a look. All right, EUR USD, whatever I call for EUR USD, it's the complete opposite for USD CHF. 2 for 1. BOGO. 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line of EUR USD, forming a 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop, and that's all you need to know. GBB, JPY. Oh, nice. Oh, already did it. Hold on. 1 minute. Oh, Jiminy Christmas. 5 minute. 30 minute. Is this touching already? Hold on. Play any. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Gorgeous. Called this last night for you also, or yesterday for you. GBB, JPY. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the 1 hour blue line. Just did it. Let me see something on the 30. Oh, yeah. That was the easiest call ever. All right, let's see if we get a Lord willing here. We're going to get a ricochet now. Look for and wait for price to pull back up, come either in between the yellow line and the red line right there and come down. If you don't know what the red or yellow line is by the system, might come up a little higher than that, somewhere in there. Touch the blue lines and come up, ricochet, and come back down. That's on the hourly. That's going to take a good bit of time, but I could see that, Lord willing, happening. I wait for that setup. That's all you need to worry about, GPJPY. Bitcoin, to be clear on Bitcoin, yes, we called the bottom. Yes, since March of last year. Everyone watching that has my system knows what this is from beginners on up. We have green, 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 red, green, green, buy, stop. You could have bought this since March. Definitely would have been buying this since 9/1 of last year, September of last year. So this is Bitcoin monthly. Each one of these is a monthly candle. We've been calling it since, well, how I've been calling it since before, 24, 25,000 buy stop. And there you go. Easy peasy. Oh, what about now? Well, now you're like $1 late and never, ever. It's a buy stop 1 minute, but it's too late. I wouldn't horse shit around this. All you can hope for is a little pullback, maybe. See, like this 15 minutes, this is probably either a 30-minute or 1 hour buy. Let's see. Yeah, 1 hour buy stops. That's all you can wait for, 1 hour buy stops. You could have caught it here, 68, gotten to about whatever the hell it went up to, 71, 72. Yep. So too late. I wouldn't fuck around with it. Just look for any 1 hour buy stops on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is the same, by the way, in case you're unclear of how they manipulate the market. This is Ethereum's pattern. Green, 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 red, green, green, monthly. This is Bitcoin's pattern. Green, 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 red, green, green, monthly. They're exactly the same. I love you. I do. Telling you, here we go. XRP now. I've been recommending XRP since it's 31 cents a coin, and I just like it. 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy. Might be too late. Let me check the 15 minute real quick. Yeah, you're a little too late to this one. Okay. 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute buy, 1 hour sell, 4 hour buy stop. This is XRP. Daily sell, monthly buy. Again, just to be clear, because there's going to be so many people out there saying I didn't say it or that's bullshit and I own this one. Only about 4 grand of it. Okay, let's take a look. Green, 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 red, green, green. Buy stop already on XRP back here. Green, 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 red, green, green. Buy stop. This is monthly buy stop for XRP. Ethereum already was a monthly buy stop, called out a long time ago. It's through the roof. Bitcoin already was a monthly buy stop. It's through the roof. And now I'm calling for a monthly XRP buy stop. So somebody pay attention. Just saying. I do believe, I know, if it goes up and then blah, 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 the markets, the sunspots could flare up. Who the fuck knows? But it'll be over $2.05 and probably substantially more than that. All right. Amazon. Amazonian. Let's see. 1 minute. 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop to the 5 minute blue line. Amazon forming a 30 minute, 1 hour buy stop. Amazon. That's all you need to know. U.S. oil. Nice. U.S. oil. Oh, nice. Right now, one is going to form. Let it flip and turn around and come back over its little red or yellow line in a minute here. Or did the first one anyways, but no, it's going to go up. 1 minute, 5 minute buy stop, U.S. UK oil to the 5 minute blue line. It's a ricochet. Oh, it just touched the 15. Fuck. 30 minute sell stop to the 30 minute 1 hour blue lines. That's all you need to know for U.S. oil. I love you. I do. All right. Do you believe we're all set? Let's hop back into here. There you go. We're going to make money twice on this gold call. All right. Raider Trader, what's up, Ore? What's up, Tony Atwood? What's up, Monique Kruger? What's up, Joanna Webley? Good morning, Shocking Life. Good morning, Flight 379. Good morning, Stacy. Good morning, OPM, WDM. All right. Callouts are done. Signal for gold, I always have to document every time there's a call out. So let's document it real quick. We're going to spend a lot of time on this. We have a signal service. The signal service started the 1st of January of this year. It is now 35 signals called out with 35 wins, including one this morning in gold. If you know of any other trader in the world that is 35-0, which calling signals for SPX, NAS, and US 30, I only count one of those. So technically, if you really want to go with it, we're the only service on earth that doesn't count when the signals go the correct way. We would be 70 minimum, there'd be 2 of the signals, and 2 out of the 3 times they always go up. 2 out of 3 signals go up. They all do eventually, but anyway. So that would be 70, calling out NAS, SPX, US 30, gold, and oil. So if you know of any traders that are just 35-0 from January 1st, let me know. I sure as hell don't. Excuse me. This is our signal room. $115 a month gets you 5 signals. $250 a month gets you 10. We're going to up those, by the way. Tier 3, third signal, gives you unlimited, $350 a month. Gold room, tier 1. Click it. You can see clearly that there was a signal that went out here at this time, Forex 831, but it doesn't matter when the signal goes out. It doesn't matter what it says on your old gear 1, gear tier 2, 3, same signal went out. So it says follow the rules. Just imagine a robot, piece of code written by the great Keith Palmer, guided by me through my crazy ass trading style that I teach and go over every day with you guys. Hasn't lost the trade since January. It's 35-0, and they're only going to get better. Craziest fucking thing on earth. Wait till you see. All right. So then the gold signal went out. It says follow the gold rules, which are the same as these rules right here, the regular ones. So here are the rules. How can a signal service an EA, what you guys would call AI, but bullshit, AI is a joke, when it comes to trading, that is. Is this algo? Great. No. No. I am going to start advertising things, but when I start advertising things, I'm going to strictly be truthful. That's all. We don't need anything else. 35-0 is 35-0. Good morning. Good morning, Monique and Joanna and Anthony and Tony and Shocking Life and Why Crypto. Good morning, King Rico. Why Crypto, can you check Gary? Didn't you ask this the other day? Why Crypto? And good morning to you. And I guess you weren't rude, but Please and thank you are the magic words in this world. You guys know? Didn't you guys grow up with Barney? My kids did. Please and thank you. They are the magic words. And then people are going to get really pissed. Oh, blah, 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 whatever. I'll go over it in a minute. If I remember. Let's go ahead and go over the rules, though, that was able to call out this Discord gold signal this morning right here. Good morning, Coffee 4568. Da, 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 da. So what are the rules? Rules are check the rules every day. Number one, if you need help before contacting us by email, you need to go to your rules. Check for your answer and our rules that I'm going over right now. Gosh, yeah, you have to write that. Go to the Discord learning room. Ask your question there. Go to my YouTube channel. Watch a few videos before you email us. Attend an advanced training session. Absolutely. Not this Monday, but next. Ask your questions on any of my daily lives. What do you know? I'm here right now. Google is your friend. Go to your initial training video. If all that fails, then send a nicely worded email to. Okay. So just take, you're supposed to write out the word personal trading responsibility. So if you ever need help, those are the steps you take before emailing us. Hope I'm clear on that. You guys are doing a little better. I'm proud of you. Extremely important trading rule. At the end of this video, which is the video in here, I teach you that. For buy stops, look for it to be on the left top. For sell stops, look for it to be the left under the EMAs. So let's go over to that rule and I can show you what it looks like. I love you. I do. This is gold. You can tell by the symbol in blue. This is the time period of 15 minutes. I'm going to change the time period. Da, 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 da. I love you. I do. Gee, look at there. Okay, we have a brand new fucking coolest shit ever. Matter of fact, we updated the code from this, but it's still so fucking cool. All right, what you're looking at is the previous last signal. So this is the previous last signal on gold when it went out right here. Boop. Okay, it was a buy stop signal, 1 hour. So how do we know it was going to go up? Or most likely, well, no, we knew. With 100% accuracy, I know the signals aren't going to stay at 100%. I'm not stupid. I'm expecting them to stay at 80 to 100% though. 80 to 90, somewhere in that range. We're 100% now. I'm taking that for a long time. Look, you have all this movement right here. Let's squish this together so you can see it a little clearer. Price action, what you guys refer to as candles, which are bullshit. They're not really candles. Just price action represented as a candle, but whatever, is to the left. So you can clearly see all these candles are to the left of our yellow and green. Even this EMA right here, they're just to the left. Comes over, forms, comes down, buy, stop, engages, we make money. Buy, stop, engages, we make money. It calls out another one, and another one, and another one that currently you're in. To the left, came over, pop, came up. So that's what a buy stop looks like. Let's go over to and let's compare that to a different one. Let's see what we find. Okay, compare that to here, forming our logo here. That's what these boxes are doing. Starts above, comes down, comes up. This is now you're only looking for a possible sell stop. And of course, it was a sell stop. You can tell by the red box that was formed. And yes, all of these are being implemented. All this new technology is going into an already perfect signal service, and we're going to make it better. Boop, boop. There it is. There we go. Shoop. And down she went. So when it's to the left and under, it's a sell stop, which makes sense since sells are under. And when it's to the and when it's to the, there we go. To the left and on top, it's only a buy stop. It's that important enough of a rule that I took time out right here to explain it to you. So honestly, if you only trade that way, regardless of whether you're using my system or not, you're going to be right a lot of the time. So that little secret right there is amazing. Hello? Oh boy, never mind. All right, so that is the extremely important trading rule that got its own little area. Okay, so how do we trade the gold? Step 1 and step 2. We're going to be modifying the rules on gold very, very soon. I have big news to tell you about now right this second. Okay, so step 1, you go to the hourly, you look for the logo, you make sure the sniper's set up. If you're doing a buy stop, it would be blue on top, pink on the bottom. And that's it. So you go to the hourly to look, come over to here, we go to the hourlies. You can clearly see it. First time it happens is the best. That's in the rules. Let's look at this shit. Let's look when the first time it happened was. Look at this. This is when the first time on the hourly you're going to see it. Would be this one right here, called out by our signal service live when gold was at 2044-ish, right around there. Actually, I think we were 2038. I remember that number, 2032. Anyway, blue line rose up, pink line came down for the first time. This would have been a 1 hour, 4 hour, which we could call, but we don't. And then sure it is, sure as shit. There it is, poop. And there she went up. So for somewhere, and I'm telling you it was lower than that. Yeah, see, it was 2038. So from there's another one, buy stop, another one, pink and blue are separate, buy stop, buy stop. Here's another one called us buy stop, another one buy stop, and another buy stop. So from 2038 up into 2038 to whatever gold peaked at, was it like 21.94 or something? 2038 minus what I say? 2190. I have no idea. We'll call it 2190 minus 2082. It's up $108 an ounce since we called it. That's incredible. So the signal service followed the 1 hour rule, which is the separation I just showed you. Dun, dun, dun. Then you go to the 15-minute. Step 2 is the 15-minute. Right here. On the 15-minute, you look for the complete opposite and the logo. So let's take a look. If you don't know what the logo is, I'll show you right now. We'll just use this one. It's so easy. The logo starts below, comes up, retests, and then comes back up again. And what is our logo? It's actually literally on the back of a bull right here. See this green thing right there? Green up, red down. Mine's yellow, but you get the idea of the green up. Kind of looks like it, actually. All right, I don't have 3D or anything abilities. Let me see something. Looky there. Some of you weren't getting your alerts because the Stan Store maxed this out at 1,130 emails. So if you sign up for the email service alerts, you'll never miss one of my lives over here. So cool. Thank Keith again for doing this. You come right over to here. Pop. Step. Subscribe. And there's our logo. That's not bad for me. It's kind of close. Green up. That's what we trade. Yep, we are a registered trademark. SafeTradeSystem.com. All right. So that's our logo on the 1 hour. The buy stop has to be set up blue, pink, which it is right there on this one. I'll show you again. I'll bring you into my how to look at things world. we're talking about right inside of here. Then you go over to the 15-minute. You take a look. Oh, let's go back to that one. First, I got to mark it. So your buy stop would have happened somewhere right around here or thereafter. You actually have a 1 hour buy stop, green, green, green. I love you. I do. I love you. I do. 1 hour logo, 1 hour retracement, blue and pink. So we're good. So we head over to that 15-minute one. Look for the exact same thing here. Let's see what we see. Oh, what do you know? So every time there's a retracement on that time frame, the 1 hour, you'll see a 5-minute, 10-minute, or 15-minute buy stop. And in this case, it's a 15-minute. You can clearly see where the line was. Right here. Boop. There it is. I don't know why. Everyone should be really impressed with that shit, how it does that, but whatever. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Then you can clearly see the blue line was against the raised uppers down low now. Pink and purple were both down. 90% of the time, you'll see the pink fire off first, then the purple. But either way, and there you go. And that's how you do it. So in reality, it would take 2 seconds to run through all these symbols and do them easily and quickly. All right. So right here now on the 1 hour, we're looking at a 1 hour possible sell stop. Let me grab this again for us. So let's take a look down here now. All right. This is what area we'll be looking at. Oops, hold on. I love you. I do. Okay, so let's take a look. This is NAS 100, 1 hour. Green, 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 red. Broken Bach. You see the 1 hour is down low. Pink is rising up high. If this same exact thing follows up right here with SPX and or US 30, we'll have an actual sell stop being called. There you go. Sell stop being called. SPX the same way. US 30 is now just forming it. So after we go to the 1 hour right here and verify that this is looking down, we can also go up time frames and make sure there isn't a buy, which there will be. It's currently forming a 4 hour daily buy stop. They're insane. I'm not going to get into politics, but there's a reason why they're doing this. Look at the stock market. Okay, but it is a 4 hour daily buy stop, by the way, henceforth why I wrote this out for you. My faves, 4 hour daily buy stops. NAS SPX in particular. All right, so now that we have that done, let's go back up to our 15 minutes and see if they're confirming a 15-minute 1 hour buy stop. Okay, it is a NAS. It is on SPX. I should say sell stop, sorry. Yeah, so we're looking for a 15-minute 1 hour sell stop in all three indices. But the longer term play, the correct term after this is done, would be the buy stops for the 4 hours. So that's how I come up with what I do, exactly step by step. There are several other rules, but there's only those two. You always look for the 15-minute 1 hour as a beginner. and then you check to follow step 1, step 2, and you're done. So that's what you would do for gold. Morning, HG. Good morning, Henry. Okay. There are other specifics for stop losses and entering of your trades, that type of thing. Must watch videos, specific rules trading, rules for beginners, how I specifically trade. Can't share these. You're legally bound by the NDA. You have to sign in order to get my system. Always trade the 1 hour, 15-minute for beginners. It works on all time frames, including 1 seconds, but we want you to be able to take your time with it. They develop in the order of 1 minute safety trades form first, then 5 minutes, and so on. You may open more than one safety trade at a time, but be careful with that. How do you know when it's finished? Because the H&H scanner, just like I explained, all the last time they did it, it was going up, up, up. So I told you all to look for the reds, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. I didn't just tell you, I wrote it out to be specific. Last line. Official 1 minute sell stops towards the SPX 15-minute blue line. Can't get any more specific than that. And then here you sit. NAS was green. It's now red. We're waiting for SPX to rise up, hook, come back down and do this. And then if they do some kind of bullshit news today or whatever, then you'll see all these turn green again. How do you know the first time? Because the 1 minute switches. US 30 was first. I believe NAS was second, then SPX. They go in order, so just trade it. It's the easiest trade out there. Super easy. Once you understand that scanner, it's worth 50,000, 500,000 a month is what that thing's worth. Good morning, Sheila. Good morning, Kevin. All right. So this is exactly how the gold trade was called out, is what I'm explaining to you all. For the signal service, 35th win this morning. Do any of you know any investor, and I'm not one of them, I have 2 losses, way more than that. Since January 1st, the signal service is 35-0. So it's called out 35 trades, signals, for you guys to possibly take on demo, and it's won 35 times for 100% win rate. Just thank God. What the fuck? There's no, I'm shocked by those results. Actually, I'm extraordinarily shocked. Okay, that's how you find out when it flips. Sniper add-ons, $150 a month. Scanner rooms, $50 a month for 2. You can open up 2. Teaches you to take profits. Tells you about mastering the system by teaching it to people. Record every session. You can actually increase your learning from months to weeks. You record your sessions, rewatch it. You must unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading. That's what kills me. I laugh so hard. So many of the investors that come into me, a lot are newbies because it's made for newbies. They don't have any blockages. It's very easy for them to do. Okay? You must unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading because Fibonacci retracement fails 99% of the time. Don't believe me. This is a quote from a Google search. If you type in, do less than 1% of day traders actually are profitable, make money. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable, says Google, not me. But you have to unlearn it. So they think they can come in and use my system, use Fibonacci retracement. It's the stupidest thing on earth. Fibonacci retracement comes from flowers, by the way. Totally 100% moronic to use that. I tried, by the way, for a year and a half on it. NAS, EUR, USD. No wonder I couldn't get it to work because it comes from flowers. Anyhow, crazy ass shit. So yeah, Fibonacci doesn't work. Fibonacci retracement doesn't work 99% of the time. That's not me saying that. That's Google saying it. But it drives people nuts. Even though they know they're on here and support and resistance doesn't work 99% of the time, it fails. They still come on here and defend it to the core. Oh, you can't tell me volume and VWAP doesn't work. How does this guy know all this? Block trading. How does this guy know what to look to the left, ascending, descending wedges, name of candle, candle patterns? But how, he's speaking our language. Oh, because I lost for 5.5 years trying to use all that stupid shit. I honestly believe to my core that we were taught the wrong things on purpose. Why do I say that? Because what they taught us let us win 1% of the time. Support and resistance, trend line trading, right? Ascending, descending wedges, all that stuff is right 1% of the time. So literally, they could have not taught us anything, and we should be able to close our eyes and pick, and we should be right at least close to what, 40%, 50% of the time. Oh, but no. They taught us not how to be wrong 99% of the time. And every one of us, I lost $26,500 over a 5.5 year period of time, lost money. So don't give me shit. So they come in here defending it. I had one of my members actually, no, Fibonacci retracements are right. What a silly person that you ever could possibly have. So I try to reach his soul, tell him the truth. He tries to defend it like, oh, you're lost. Don't waste your money. Don't buy my system if you think Fibonacci retracement, and volume and VWAP work, because it doesn't. Just for everyone to know, 100% sure we're talking. Phil, we are a rater trader. Or good morning, or I know I already said it, but good morning again. Absolutely. Oh, well, tomorrow they're going to move the markets and we're going to make a shit ton. But unfortunately, or fortunately to me, oh, I can't keep it a secret. I don't care. My brother's staying in my house. All right. We are literally, we don't even know which house I'm at. We are literally, Bree and I are heading over to Vegas. Where's Builder Boss at this morning? We're going over to Vegas to stay there for 3 months. We'll be staying in Vegas. Well, we're taking our time. It'll be like 2.5 months or so when we get there. But we have a house rented there, and we're staying in Vegas for basically 3 months. Thank God we went last year for 2 months. This year we're going back for 3 months, and we're going to be scouting out houses to buy there. I wish with land, but even if we go up to a couple mil, we can't. There's no land. It's not worth it. I mean, fuck. So we'll end up probably in some stupid ass HOA, gated community. We'll see. We're going to go look for the houses though. So that's our exciting news. So the rest of this week is a travel week. We're driving out there, and we're going to have some fun getting there. And then we'll be there for a few months. No, we'd be hopping on at 3 a.m. Vegas time. Yeah, no, we're sticking, with our time, Dennis. Good question. I'm going to be on in Vegas once we're set up, probably by the end of the week or so, first Monday of next week for sure. You will see me on the lives all the way through any news. You'll see me on the lives all the way through the open. I plan on staying on the lives from about 6 in the morning to 9:45. So you'll see me on for 3 or 4 hours a day. Right now, I'm only been doing like an hour, working on the code and all that. But when we get to Vegas, you'll see me. I'll be on for 3 to 4 hours every day or more. And yes, I'll be walking on the treadmill because I'm buying one to have brought into the house. And Bree's like, I don't care. The person there can keep it. It's our free gift for letting us stay at their house. Gorgeous house. We tried doing that silly old condos, Lord help me, last year. No. We actually have a 3-story house, pool, hot tub, all that shit. I'm not doing condos again. I love homes. And I love homes with land. Shit. We have 3 homes on 11 acres. And one of our properties, we own property in Florida, Alabama, Georgia. Well, our LLCs do. Georgia. Well, actually, our trusts do. Actually, I'm meeting with an estate lawyer again to get the trust cleared up. So, but I researched you, and you only own property here, and you're projecting. Yeah, get out of here. We have a hide my ass. No, we have a virtual private network running. It either will show we're out of Georgia, Atlanta area, or Alabama, or Florida, because we have properties all there. So I just leave it on. So I'll let it run for a while through one or the other. Then I put another VPN on top of it, and that's where we are when you see us when we're in like Jersey, or when I say we're out of wherever. So no, I can't wait to get back to Vegas. We're going to be shooting some automatic machine guns out there. That's always fun. We had never done the race car driving thing. We're going to do the race car driving thing. That's going to be a blast. We do four-wheeling all the time. Horseback riding, so beautiful out there. Gosh, it's gorgeous out in the mountains. But yeah, going back to Vegas for 3 months because you can trade from anywhere in the world. Bree and I need to get my passport renewed, and then she needs to get hers piled up. Once we do that, then we'll be heading out because I don't want to go a month to Italy and a month here like I wanted to do initially. So Bree and I talk. Bree thinks it's best if we do the weekly. So we'll just do a week in Italy, week in Greece, week in the Maldives. And we'll just start going around there on a regular basis. Because why? Total freedom. Thanks to our rules. Always thank God. Always do good with your profits. You get to trade from wherever you want in the world. I usually stay up until your last stop. Oh, nice, Dennis G. All right. Those are your rules. It's exactly how to trade. It's exactly what to do. You guys should never, that's kind of embarrassing, outtrades me, let a robot outtrade you. But right now, the signal service is perfect. 35 signals called out to do buys or sells. 35 wins for 100% win rate. Woo! You guys can't be thankful to God for that. I don't know what to do to help you. And it's only going to get better. It will only get better. How do you improve 100% win rate? I don't know. The entries are going to be better, I'll tell you that. People are like, how the fuck? Why are you fucking with? Nope, we are. First one's going to be changed and updated as gold. Second is going to be oil. Third will be the 3 indices. All right. Anybody on TikTok or YouTube have any questions? Anyone on TikTok or YouTube have any questions, concerns? What's up, D-Nice? D-Nice, you sleeping? Poor D-Nice, probably working super hard. All right. So this is me signing off. I'll probably do a live from, we're driving over the next several days to Vegas. So I probably will do a live, maybe here or there, but there's going to be several days probably where you don't see me live. I am late for the party. That's funny. I'm just glad you're here, D-Nice. Right? And thanks God that each and every one of you are here. We have the opportunity to make some life-changing, generational wealth money right here. And I honestly believe to my core that we are your best chance. Bree and I, and of course, even Keith, we're here. All of us are here, and Carson are here trying to help you make money, help you learn how to see the trading. So we might not reach each and every one of you. A third of you, as you know, from all different systems you ever join. A third of you will lose. A third of you will break even. A third of you will make money. But I honestly believe in my core that we are your best shot at succeeding at trading. Okay. If anyone's new here, you can speak up. I will go over things I have time. Some mornings I don't. This morning I do. In order to master, we talked about it. We are Stan ambassadors. We do have Stan as a store. I know people think it's a person's name, like it's my name or something. No, Stan is just like Shopify. They stand for fantastic or something, like it's a fanatic, a Stan. Anyway, so we're senior store Stan ambassadors, meaning we have 3 stores with them. We do extremely well. Thank God and God alone selling the system here. I told you we have 3 add-ons. Again, to review those, we have the scanner rooms, the best money ever spend, $50 a month. Well, not the best. It's the coolest looking, the best to help you if you understand how to use it, and the best at teaching you things. But I think the Sniper, which is $150 a month, it's that blue and pink thing at the bottom of the charts, is the best add-on you can get. I would literally sell my house or car or anything I could to afford the $150 a month payment. That's me. I'm not telling you what to do. You're all grown-ass people. Do your own fucking thing, but that's what I would do. And then we have the signals. And if you think 35 signals from the first of the year, all 100% win rate is pretty good, then I would buy the signal service. It ranges from 150 to 350 a month. Oh, but you're telling people this. I don't give two fucking rat's ass shits if you guys buy any of that or don't. I don't give two rat's ass shits if you guys buy the system or don't. I literally kept the system to myself for a year and a half after I got it, made all the money I wanted to make trading. Then I released it to all of you. I didn't have to do that. That's part of the thank God thing. Do you think I care if you guys buy the system? I care if you buy it, that I will do everything I can to help you succeed. But whether or not you do buy it, whether or not you're smart enough to buy it, whether or not you have enough common sense to buy it, I can't help you with that. Some people, you can lead them directly to water, put the water in their mouth, and they'll still refuse to swallow. Not only did I lead you to water, I've given you 2 golden spoons. I have one shoving it down your throat, another one in your mouth, trying to make you guys to swallow the water to get the system, learn the system, buy the system, right? But no, I've given you a fishing pole. I've given you lures. I've given you real live worms. I've cast I'm teaching you exactly how to fish. I teach you how to throw the line into the water. I put the fucking fish on the hook for you. And then some of you still can't pull up and reel it in. You know, it's embarrassing to me. Like, how much can I do? And by the way, this will come to a screeching halt because I guarantee you 35-0 with the signals is going to spread quickly. We've already got about 100 people, a little over 100 people. Well, we have, I don't know, like 800-900 people to the system. We have about 350-400 using the sniper, and we have about 100 something using the signals. When that signal room gets up to 300, I'll be closing down the entire everything. It'll be called a closed group. No one will be able to get in unless you're referred in from family or friends. So I'm just saying, we're about a third of the way to where I'm going to get to, and then we're closing this down. I don't mean like stopping it. I mean making it private. We're going to privatize the group where I'll be going live only through Discord. I won't be on TikTok or YouTube anymore. I would suspect within the year, probably way sooner. But within the year, this will be a closed group. So anyone's in it can stay in it. If you're not in it, well, that's called tough luck. What's up, Ed? Can you go over the system without add-on? Yeah, OGGM, absolutely. It's the simplest thing on earth. We'll just pick over here. We'll go to gold. We'll go over here. We'll go to 15-minute on the top. We'll go over to here. I love you. I do. One chart's all you need. One chart, that's all. One call, that's all. All right, let's take a look. Without any add-ons, it would look like this right here. And this is the basic system. It works perfectly and flawlessly 100% of the time. Unfortunately, man screws up religion, man screws up politics, man screws up my system. So even though it's 100%, we misinterpret things right here. I love you. I do. So watch. This right here is it. Who is this? OGGM. Can you please go over the system without an add-on, but whatever. Green, 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 red, green, green. In our business, okay, everybody out there, let's answer. In the trading business, treated as such, by the way, is green mean up or green mean down? That's the only answers you answer. Does green mean up? I'm shaking my head yes. Or does green mean down? Go ahead. You're welcome, OGGM. What does it mean? OGGM and everybody, please answer. Does green mean up or down? I do. Thank you, Andrew. Thank you, Ore. Thank you, Dennis. OPMWM. What's up, Krupa, Lupa? OGGM. Please answer. Does green mean up or down? I'm going to teach you the OG system. It's so easy. What's up, Andrew? Good morning to you. Wow. I'll keep answering even though that's shit right there. Whatever. All right. Red means down. Green means up. You can clearly see our real direction bars right down in there are green. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. Green. Good morning, George. George, thanks, sir. Red means down. Green means up. So let's take a look at what we're looking at specifically. Thank you, Ruben. Oh, geez, did actually respond finally. All right. So red's down, green's up. We're going to pretend OGGM is swimming in the pool. That's the going to be equivalent of the red right here. He is swimming in the pool. He is going to try to dive down to the bottom of the pool to pick up the quarter, or he or she, whoever this is. OGGM is in a pool. That's the red, trying to dive down. He's trying to go down and pick up a quarter. All right. But unfortunately for OGGM, beneath him are these 3 green lines. The real direction bars 1, 2, and 3. Real direction bar 1, 2, and 3 say it's going to go up. So below him, this is the bullshit detector. When you see this turn red, this is saying bullshit, bullshit, lie, lie, lie. It's not really going down. It's really going to go up. But how do we know it? Watch. OGGM is in the pool. He's trying to dive down the bottom of the pool to pick up a penny or a quarter or whatever, right? He's trying to go down. But below him, he has D-Nice pushing up on him. Below D-Nice is Henry pushing up on him. Below Henry and D-Nice is Krupa Lupa pushing up. So these greens say this is going to go up. Push up, push up, push up. So there's 3 grown people below OGGM. OGM's trying to go down low. These 3 people are pushing up. Above there is Joanna Webley is pulling up. Well, you pissed off a lot of people, OGGM. And below, above that is Ruben. Ruben is pulling up. And then we have our logo. And then we have our box. And then we have everything. There's another 3 or 4 people pulling up. So you have George Hyde, Andrew Frejo, Dennis, all pulling up, while you have 3 grown men pushing up, and you have poor OGGM trying to dive down. Red means down, all the others. You guys get the analogy? 7s for yes, you understand this analogies. 9, you don't. Well, hell, don't even answer that, because if you don't understand what I'm trying to say, the system isn't for you. So red means down. That means OGGM is trying to swim to the bottom of the pool to pick up a quarter. All the green around him means up. So he has no chance to go down. I don't care if he's Michael Phelps on steroids. There's no chance OGGM is going to go down. Buy, 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 buy. You put your buy stop over here. I can't teach you that because there's 30 different brokers on TradingView. So watch. Oh, gee whiz. It was a good buy. And there it is. And that's how you do it. And look at it. It kept going. If you could open up 2, left 1, run. Look at it. So from this trade right here, which you couldn't see the future, you can see the future. My indicators, not only do they not lag, they are 100% accurate 100% of the time. I always say they're 99% accurate because God has his ability to do whatever he wants to do. But without some kind of intervention from God, this trade will go up. You had no chance of going down to the bottom of the pool, OGGM. This trade had no chance of going down. And this is what you look like with just the original system that you'll be getting. $575 for the year is what you get right here. Does that make sense to you, OGGM? Does that make sense to everybody? Yes or no? Da 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 da. Is Bitcoin up right now? You're a year late and $23,000 short, but yes, I guess Bitcoin. I don't give a fuck. That's not how we trade, Owen. Good morning, Owen and them. Yes. Okay. So that's how it works with the OG system. Some people still have problems with that. So we have what's called the sniper. And the sniper, you would wait for pink and purple lines, specifically purple line, to go down when it first arches up, or the blue line arches up, it goes up. So your entry would have been off of any one of those. So without the sniper, you don't know really. You put your buy stop in, hope for the best. With the sniper, you can play off the purple or the blue line for your entries, and you would have obviously had 0 to little drawdown, and obviously went straight up. The sniper is worth everything. I wouldn't get the signals and I wouldn't get the scanner. I would get the sniper. If I had my choice of the 3 add-ons and I could only pick one, it would be the sniper. What's up? Welcome, Fox BTC. That's not how we trade. What's up, MGR? Yes, even though I am new to that. I know, isn't it simple? And the opposite holds true for a sell stop. So every time you see the opposite, look, I mean, this isn't, everyone acts like trading so hard and it's impossible. Without my system, trading is, it is fucking hard. It's a holy fucking nightmare of doom, right? Trading is. But with the system, forget about it. Anyone can trade. If you can tell colors, you can trade. Simple as that. So let me just go back. I'm going to show you what a sell stop looks like. It's just the opposite. That's all it is. Here we go. All right. Let's go zooming in so you guys can see this a little bit better. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Like my kitty, the tuxie. All right, right here. Now, we have MGR. We have MGR this time. Oh, this is just for example purposes. We have nothing against you, MGR. This is just for fun. All right, here's your example. MGR. Let me spread this a bit more. There we go. All right, MGR. Let's go with the regular. MGR is swimming in the ocean. Green means up. MGR is trying to stay up. This is it's literally called the bullshit detector. BS detector right here. It's called the bullshit detector. Anyway, that's a lie. It's not really going to go up. But green means up in our business. Red means down. Watch. MGR is green. He's trying to stay above in the ocean. He's trying to stay swimming. He doesn't want to fucking drown. He's trying to stay up. But he pissed off OGGM. So OGGM is red. Real direction bar 1. Pulling him under. Flight 379 is real direction bar 2. It's red. He's pulling him under. For some reason, MGR pissed off Ore. Ore's extremely nice fellow from what I can tell online. Raider trader. He grabs him. That's the third one right down here. So 3 grown men are pulling MGR under the ocean water top. So you have MGMR trying to stay above. 3 grown people pulling under. Above him, you'll see this. You're going to see the BOK, which is the blue line separated. But anyway, the BOK, the BOK indicator, most important indicator in history of the world, red. So above him, you have, but above him, you have, I'm looking at all these people. You have Joanna pushing down. You have Kimberly Harrington pushing down these 2 red lines, pushing him under the water. Above him, you have our logo retracement. Above that, you have the red line. So you have several other people pushing him under the water. Andrew's pushing him under the water. You pissed off Ruben again. So you have 4 or 5 people pushing down. You have 3 people pulling him under. You have one person grabbed his arm, pulling him under. You have another person grabbing an arm, pulling him under. You have another person grabbing a leg, pulling him under. There's no chance in hell, watch. There's no chance in hell this trade was to continue to go up. You have to look to the left. It's underneath, one of the major rules. And then you had no chance. So in other words, even if he was Michael Phelps on steroid and he wanted to stay above the water, he couldn't. You can't do it with 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 people pushing and pulling you under the water. The trade had no chance to stay up. The trade goes down. Boom. And there it goes down. Right there. And then it does it again, by the way. That's a fill in the gap one, and it's another one. And so on. And that's what you see. And that's the first time is always the best. Blah, 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 blah. And that's what that is. So that's how you remember a sell stop. See all the bleeding red? Red means down. One little green inside of there ain't going to stay up. And it didn't. And that's how that. Does that make... how I don't know to trade. BG Gamer. I'm teaching you how. That's how. If you can tell colors and you can see that pattern, print it out right there, and that's what you trade. Those red lines you see are the signal call out for sells, by the way. I just come across stream right now. Yep. So Fox BTC, what I just taught you how to trade is that's how you actually trade. We don't do yearly. I mean, I guess if you look at monthly charts, you can do yearly. So for instance, if you would have gone over to monthly and listened to me, well, here, I can show you XRP, for instance. Oh, let's go over here. If you go over to here, and you go over to here, and we go over to XRP, let's take a look at our monthly charts. And if you wanted to go through, buy the system, and then trade according to this, you can do this. All right, right here, you're going to look at Bitcoin. We've been calling out Bitcoin since March of last year. You can clearly see everyone watching that has my system has been scamming knows what this is. Green, 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 red. I just explained it to you. Green, green. This is monthly Bitcoin buy. So OGGM, and who is the other gentleman or person? MG. this is monthly Bitcoin. Look at it. You literally, this is, every one of these candles is monthly. Let me explain exactly what you're looking at. My system that I created is 100% flawless. Man screws it up, right? Watch. This is a buy stop. So this is a buy stop. Listen to me and listen well to what this is. Everybody wants to be an expert. This is how it looks like. This is Bitcoin. Monthly candles. From right here, everybody that has the system, what is this? Green, 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 red, green, green. It's a buy stop. You place it above, well, your buy stop would go above either the red or yellow line over here. And then you wait. This is 1 month. This is 2 months. This is 3 months. This is 4 months. This is 5 months. But the reality is our system would have been calling the buy stop after this month right here. It is a buy stop. It was a buy stop. Look, buy stop, buy. It would have engaged right here on this month. Let me remove this for so you can show you the accuracy of the sniper right here. It would have started calling a buy stop on Bitcoin. We did start calling a buy stop in Bitcoin September of 2022. The first entry would have been here at 3/1/2023. So last year would have been the first time. And there's Bitcoin. Oh, all these other colors. Well, those are just wins. It's actually, you can see the green candles in here and where Bitcoin's at. I've been calling it. You can go back and watch any one of my lives. I've called Bitcoin since then hundreds of times to be a monthly buy stop. Matter of fact, I'd probably pull them all up and make a conglomeration of that. Look at Ethereum, the exact same thing. Look at it, same exact time. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. So even though you guys are new here learning that, and there you go. We called correctly this push up right here. Supposedly when XRP won, this is XRP monthly. It went up, yeah, whatever. And here's another one. And there's XRP in the money once. Here's XRP again in the monthly buy stop twice. Oh, yep. I have a feeling this is green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, just like Ethereum was, just like Bitcoin was. So you guys are now Bitcoin experts. Should you? We went out to inactivity. Sorry. Let me go back on TikTok. I'm not staying long, but there we go. All right. And now we're live again. Sorry about that. Let me go back over here. What TikTok does is after every hour, they kill your live feed. I don't know why they do that, but whatever. So yeah, so that's it. So does that make sense to everybody? And if you're trying to play Bitcoin now, we were calling it out at 23, 24, 25,000 a year ago, literally a year ago in Vegas. I was calling this out, and here it sits now. It's too late. You're too late for Bitcoin. You're too late for Ethereum. Like I told you guys this morning, I'd play any 1 hour buy stops you see for them. Other than that, I wouldn't bother. It's just too late. That's all. All right. Sevens, if that made sense to anyone watching. I know some of my guys here are really, they know this is common sense at this point. Okay, so everyone's good? Thanks, Ori. Thanks, Mike. TikTok, any questions, further questions other than that? YouTube, any further questions? I'm going to go from TikTok to YouTube for a minute. If you're renewing, lots of you are renewing, please just go to the website, renew. There's no reason to ask us, just renew. If you're doing great with the system, support us. And that's what some people out there just can't even listen to common words that come out of my mouth. If you're doing good, support us. Meaning, if you're in the Discord showing winning trade after winning trade, or that you maybe, did certain things, had certain successes and, whatever, and you're doing that good, then buy the signal service, buy the sniper, buy the scanners. If you're doing good. If you're not, then don't. But I'm telling you right now, put your money where your mouth is, where your beliefs are. Because if you don't, things have a habit of going away. The only one that you can possibly look into getting into would be XRP. Bitcoin and Ethereum's too late. Thank you, Raider Trader. That's correct. All right. So unless there's any other questions on TikTok, I'm heading over to YouTube for a quick minute. TikTok, any further questions? TikTok, any further comments? TikTok, any further anything? I like you. I do. I like you. I do. All right, TikTok's heading over to YouTube. See you guys. Have a great day. I like you. I do. YouTubers, any questions? Yeah, beginner, Ori's right. You'll do fantastic because you never traded. My system is made for beginners. 100% made for beginners. It's so easy for beginners. They don't have any shit filled up in their head of how they think they're supposed to trade. So it's unbelievably effective. If you're a beginner, buy the system. Trust me. It's not that it's easy, but it's just that it's, it's like learning a new language. Some people have an affinity for that and they learn it quickly. Some people don't. That's all. I would love to learn how to trade. I just taught you and what's good for the system. I don't know what that means. What is 7? 7s are yeses, 9s are nos. You can type out the word yes. All right. Got to run, peeps. Hope y'all learned something. Hope y'all traded something. Hope y'all saw the signal for gold was yet again correct. Our signal service is now 35 for 35 with no losses. Yeah, it ain't going to stay that way, I don't think. But right now, holy shit, is it kicking ass. Anime Kid, I just signed up on Friday. Congratulations, everyone. Welcome, Anime Kid. I believe so. Can't wait to officially start. What site is good to trade on? Says Five. It's not a site. It's a charting service. You use TradingView, and it looks just like this. And if you're interested in the system, you can swing over to here, thesafetytrade.com, and you can buy it right there. That's where you go to get it. How do I do that? Once you buy the systems, everything's explained. You just go to tradingview.com and sign up. If you get the basic system, you can use their free version of TradingView. If you want to get everything else, you have to pay for TradingView. Not me, you pay them. I still use, what's up, Don Post? I still use Eagle FX. I personally contacted them a couple of weeks ago, and they assured me everything was fine. This is my Eagle FX. And these are my last, I don't know, 20 or so trades on Eagle FX. They assured me everything was, I pulled out, I had 7 accounts with them. I'm down to 2 live accounts with them. So yes, I still trade on Eagle FX. But you guys only get the system on TradingView. You can't get it on Eagle FX. Because they're doing away with MetaTrader 4. The company who invented MetaTrader 4 is forcing everyone over to MetaTrader 5. Wow, kind of low. Since I've been chatting with Kev, I made or a Raider Trader. Congratulations, Raider Trader, standing up. You're welcome, Anime Kid. Kind of weak for people welcoming him, by the way. Why did not more people welcome Anime Kid? That's pretty, I'm not happy with that. Oh, well. All right. Any other questions anybody has? Congratulations, Jorge. I love you. I do. I've been chatting with $505. Okay. Awesome, Fox BTC. check it out. If you have any questions. Now me and my wife are heading over to Vegas. This whole week we're traveling over casually to head over there. It's a long ways away. That's okay. And then we're heading over to Vegas. We're going to be there for 3 months. So this coming week, I'm going to be a little light on going on lives. And then when I'm in Vegas, starting probably 1 week from today, next Monday, I'll be on 3-4 hours a day, every day. Because on Vegas, we run still on our East Coast time. So we stay on our East Coast time. We're in Vegas. So we literally have like 2 days for one. I just love their time system over there. It's fucking fantastic. Another reason why I might get a house there. Thank you for speaking up, Raider Trader. Yeah, look it up. You're on YouTube. Go on my YouTube channel and watch. I have like 500 videos on there, but there's actually another 1,000. I'm just too lazy to put the disclaimer on it. So there's like 1,500 live YouTube videos of me trading every day. So. Thank you, Anime Kid. Thank you, George, for welcoming Anime Kid. All of you should be welcoming Anime Kid. It's kind of, there's only 38 of you on this morning. Okay, probably why. All right, guys, ladies and gentlemen, Lord willing, you'll hear from me. It won't be later today because we got to pack a whole bunch of shit up. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if it's going to fit in the car. Well, it's not a car, but I'm not going to tell you what we're driving because there's some psychos out there who knows what the fuck is to do. But anywho, all right. Take care. God bless. I'll probably be on in a day or two as a guest. Thank you, Raider Trader, for all the assists this morning. You've been great. Appreciate that, my brother. All right. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Y'all have a great time. Make some great trades today. Make me proud. All right. Thanks, Raider Trader. You guys too. Everyone have a great morning. Great couple days if I don't talk to you anytime soon. All right. God bless. Love y'all.